Llano neck mount strap holder with an instruction guide in multiple languages, 2 pages only. We have here is a lanyard strap that opens up as added security to the neck mount. It's adjustable around the whole neck. The neck mount, memory metal magnetic clip that snaps into the area and locks into place with the maximum opening radius of 8 inches. On the back of the unit, this area is air cushion, silicone. There are 2 locking mechanisms, one on each side with an arrow up and down. With the tripod mount dedicated to the llano, it is magnetic and will lock into place once secured on and locked down. Once on, the way to remove is by pressing firmly the button to release and remove. It will snap on, a close-up look, locking into place. And this is the down arrow. The up arrow releases the neck strap area. It will not fit a regular size adult head. Please be careful about the neck mount and usage. It wraps around the neck, locks in with the dedicated strap that is removable. Slide the leash through, wrap around, lock into place, and repeat for the opposite side. Either way, able to use the strap, hang around the neck, added security to the camera, locking the mechanism and hanging the camera anywhere imaginable for your shots. As we're going to add a camera onto the mount, is simply taking off, opening up the thumb bolt around the neck, your camera. Hands-free usage with the llano neck mount. Easy to remove when need to use the shots and place. Easy to snap on and lock into place, and added security. This is your llano neck mount. I hope you enjoy the product. If this is something that you're looking for in your hands-free POV shots, if it's a DJI Insta360, Sony cameras, or any camera that requires an adapter to the tripod mount, enjoy your product if this is right for you.